Welcome back to another Element Pack Pro tutorial. Today, we're exploring the Text Gradient Background extension. This feature transforms plain text into eye-catching typography with smooth, customizable gradients. Perfect for headings, banners, or buttons, it helps you create vibrant, attention-grabbing designs. Ready to give your text a fresh look? Let's dive in. To begin, open your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Element Pack Pro section. Simply hover over the Element Pack Pro option in the menu and click on it. This will take you directly to the Element Pack Pro dashboard. On this page, you'll notice a series of tabs neatly arranged vertically, including options like Dashboard, Core Widgets, Third-Party Widgets, Extensions, Special Features, and several others. From there, move to the Extensions tab and type Text Gradient Background into the search bar. Once the extension appears, you'll see a toggle switch next to it. Enable the toggle to activate the feature, and then make sure to click the Save Settings button so your changes are applied. Next, head over to the page where you want to customize your text with a gradient background. Select the heading widget you'd like to style, then open its Advanced tab. Scroll down until you find the Text Gradient Background section and expand it. Here, you'll see another toggle switch along with a message asking if you want to use the Text Gradient Background feature. Turn this switch on to enable the option. Once activated, you'll see a field labeled Class and ID Selector. In this field, you need to specify the class or ID of the heading you've selected. To find this, right-click on the page and inspect the element. Locate the class for that specific heading, copy it, and paste it into the input field provided. Now it's time to customize the gradient. Look for the background type option and choose Gradient. After that, select the two colors you'd like to use for your gradient effect, perhaps something bold like red and black. You can also fine-tune the position of the colors using the location sliders. For the gradient style, you can choose between a linear or a radial layout, depending on the look you want to achieve. Below that, you'll see the angle option, which lets you adjust the direction of the gradient by setting a specific degree value. Simply use the slider until the angle aligns with your design vision. When you're happy with the customization, click the Publish button to save your work and preview the page to see your gradient text background in action. And that's how you can bring your typography to life with the Text Gradient Background feature in Element Pack Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest tips, tricks, and updates from Element Pack Pro. Thanks for watching.